red ink, and scoop. Today, red ink drop and see. Dongarake make din bongol. Just a moment dongan gagidaga. Suddenly like santan chong make many bang wool. Grigo disappear. Because in the high temperature gukja, make sujungi and red ink hard carry. Ink sock water, bogle. And then pressure is boom. After boom mise bang wools. High speed disappear and red jaguk anjiwarjam. Blue ink and scoop. Today, blue ink drop NC. Hot gukja wiye blue ink dropped in Sungan. One of the bangwol, su sibgi separate, and sa bangro running. But because chogo on gukjawi, make den sujungi layer. Again together, Mongol dancing start. Inside water jum disappear. Big size to be small. Finally only blue sexo, anjiwarjam. Vaseline and scoop. Today, Vaseline drop and see. Hot gukja wuya dak on Vaseline. Dan hand dungery. Quickly return to akche. Because, made in Tanwa Suso Vaseline, in the chogo on Vaseline to be akchow. And jungval sungvun is fire. Big fire hot gukja, oil vugla and then yo dong chim. Fire is keep going. Finally, everything is boltavarigo and disappear. Powerade and scoop. Today, Powerade drop and see. Hot gukjawi Powerade pong dang sungan. White depot vugel and pure orgo. Like gago poom is disappear and bangwool is clean and clear. Jongbal is keep going. Parang color to be jinhan parang color. Bangwool is jum jagazigo. Last powerful energy modaga. Finally big boom once again. And jungbal husarazim. Toreta and scoop. Today, Toreta drop and see. Hot gukjawe Toreta pongdang sungan. Just one bangwool separate su sibge bangwools. And then quickly Mongol Hanaro dancing. It's like water, but it's Libac % Toreta. Nothing too special, but I'm sure there is Banjun. Bangwool jum smaller. That's right, it's boom. That's it. No jam Toreta.